So this is the shelf. Not everything is hair products. It's like some other stuff on the shelf. Like down here is not really hair products. So that whole thing has to get cleared off, and I'm gonna just set y'all up and probably do this in like a speedy thing. I'm not gonna talk through it like I did that the last time. Like I spoke through of what products I like wanted to keep and what I was gonna put in the garbage, but I'm not doing that this time. I'm just dumping what I want to dump, and I'll show you guys how it looks after. Okay, so here's the shelf. I don't know why I just said that. So here's the shelf, and I don't think, yeah, so my top shelf is not making it in the frame. I don't know, but for this, I'm about to just take everything down. And should I do one shelf at a time? Oh, this is so confusing. Oh my god. All right, so I'll do a shelf at a time, and then I'm gonna do a garbage pile and a keeping pile. So let's just start, I guess. I don't know. It's a lot of empties. Why was I keeping these things? Since you guys can't see up here, I'm gonna bring you guys to the floor so you can see what's going on down here. So I guess this will work for now, and then I'm gonna go back up when I'm on the other shelf. Okay, so my top shelf is cleared off. This is a pile, so these things are staying. This is trash. Yeah, so far we got 1 out of 6. Ooh man, I think I'm over like being a hair junkie, product junkie, whatever. I'm over collecting products. It's a wrap. We left that in 2021. Okay, now we're on the shelf. It's so hard getting rid of stuff. This is why my shelf looks like this. Just do it. It's garbage. It's garbage. It's garbage. I had wrote the dates on this thing that it's expiring the 29th of this month, but they're like almost empty, and I'm not really a fan of these products, so trash. How about I didn't even know I had these products? The same thing, and they're both. How about that? Also, rest in peace to Christia. She's the creator of these products, but I don't even see the expiration date on them, and I don't think I want to throw them away. Like, I don't even think I opened this one. Ciao. I'm keeping this. It's not even open. Like, what? Wow, so dusty. Not even open. This one, yeah, I don't know, but I'm keeping them. This is a lot of product. Other shelf. I don't know why I keep smelling stuff. Like I have to smell it to see if it's good or not. Like, but it's kind of full, so I'm gonna keep it. Wow, look at this. The oil is literally separated from the product. It's kind of cool. Oh! Now it's like floating in there, but it's garbage. Oh my god, this water bottle right here, when I first went natural, this is what I walked around with, and I would like spray my hair with water and oil every time it got dry. What the hell? Water and oil. Oh, this is a hair pomade. My sister actually just started her her locks. I think this is what you use for it. So I'm not gonna throw this out. I'll give this to her. Ooh, you won't get this product, Jada, until you watch this video. So this will be up here waiting for you, and I'm not gonna bring it to you. I'm gonna wait for you to see this video, this part, and then you're gonna pause it and come get it. I'll probably end up bringing it downstairs. Whew. All right, we got 2 more to go because the last one is not really hair product. So let's bring you down. I'm still going though. Whew. Another shelf. Down, 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 down. Alright, that's kind of all the hair products. I'm gonna clean this shelf off as well, but let me just show you guys what's on the floor. So here's the pile that I'm keeping right here, and the pile that's garbage, all of that. And that came from all 5 of these shelves. And they're so dirty. Look at all the oil, and I'm about to scrub all of that off and wipe all these down. Well, wipe all of this down and get it back up on the shelf. So the shelf is empty. Let me show you guys. It's completely empty. Well, that's garbage. I gotta take that down, but it's empty. I have my piles here, but then there's more. All right, I know a lot of this stuff is garbage, but I also have more upstairs, but I'm not touching that right now. This stuff I didn't use either, but I don't think I'm going to use it. It's like this product. This is back when I had Curlbox. Like, they were sending weird ass products, and I unsubscribed so quick because these are my headbands that I was gonna wear with my wigs and stuff. But like, what the hell? I'm not putting this shit in my hair. So actually I think I did a video with these things and I didn't like it. But this is all trash. Like, I'm not using any of this stuff. It's a no for me, dog. So I'm gonna empty this out as well and dump everything in the bag. Alright guys, I'm gonna go get another bag because this one is pretty full and I don't want it to pop or anything. Oh shit. Pretty cool. So let me go get another bag. Hold on. And I dumped some in there already, but I have like old Bath and Body Works. I mean, not Bath and Body Works. What's this thing called? Victoria's Secret stuff. Garbage. This used to be my lotion. Me and my cousin used to plaster this on our skin. Morning, day, night, every day. Even in the summertime. This is bag number 1. And bag number 2 over here. Now I'm going to wipe my shelves off and clean the products and get them back up. I decided the products that I had in the bin, these products right here, I feel really bad throwing it out because they're like still full, so I'm not gonna throw it out. I have like 10 boxes of Curlbox boxes with products in them that I didn't use, which I'm probably just gonna give away, so I'm gonna add this to it. I'm not gonna throw this out because I kind of feel bad. So all right, let me like really get up and get to cleaning the shelf off and put the stuff back down. All right, so we charged up a bit and shelf is still empty. I didn't put anything on. I waited to get a little juicy juice. So let's do this quick before we die again. The battery dies again. Ain't nobody dying. put this on my shelf for the meantime until Jada watches this video, and then she can have this. So it'll be there. And here is the final look. That's a big difference. Oh my gosh. Look how clean that looks. So we have one bag of junk. Oh, this is heavy. We have the second bag of junk. And this stuff I'm gonna add to like the other curl boxes upstairs, which I plan on giving away. So yeah, guys. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. And hopefully this stays like this. And I just learned a fun fact. I was actually supposed to clear this off January 5th, 2021. And now I'm clearing it off January 2nd, 2022. 1, 2, 2, 2, whatever. But it looks so clean. I'm just so glad that it's over with. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Bye.